Unlock the full power of remote commands, a new way to live your truck. Be there even when you're not, and interact with your truck remotely. Comfort and convenience at your reach, everywhere.
The whole cabin in my pocket.
To activate remote command, make sure your connectivity contract is active. It's the key that brings every feature to life.
Active. Check that one first.
It's time to pair your phone with the vehicle. Scan the QR code and wait for the countdown.
Pairing done.
Now every cabin function control is in your hands, whether you're steps away or kilometers away.
Near or far, always connected.
With real-time cabin functions, based on your vehicle options, heating and cooling can be scheduled ahead of time, so the cabin is ready exactly when you need it.
The ideal temperature before I get on board. Geos.
And from the EasyWay app, the key features are at your fingertips. Doors, windows, cabin lights, infotainment and climate.
All from here.
Selected features like locking and unlocking doors or opening and closing windows can be managed remotely once your fleet manager authorizes them through IVECO On.
Green lights from the office.
IVECO On also offers driving mode selection. Choose Eco Mode and both sustainability and fuel efficiency improve. Enjoy the freedom of staying connected to your vehicle. EasyWay app, remote commands, heavy duty, easy life.
Welcome on board.